right? That's the only place you possibly see, right? So when you're here, okay, so if I bake one like this, it goes up here, this ring is ejected at this point, see? All right? That's the point, and that's the throw. If he takes one drop here, I'm going to go and throw. If he punches, the safety factor is slash. Insert, throw. That's knife to knife, okay? Now, a lot of times, because of the knife, the handle is turned more this way. See? At that time, see, he's ejected either with his forearm, or you press the hand down, and see the knife is ejected here. See? So when you come out, see, the cut is here, right? And you come out, he will go into either throwing here, or if he punches, you throw here, or if you want, you slash out, right? Slash the gut, and control the point here. If you want to finish it off, that shot is over here on the kidney. Right? This can go to sector him, so you're computerizing him to go here. See, I can feel the energy. I can't go here because I'm here. If I pull out, I'm too late. See? So the only thing I feel is that right here. So once you go here, either your right hand will attach what we call gut, right? Or your left hand will tabon, or cover. See? At that point, when you raise it up, okay, it's up here, and you can eject down. See? That's the ejection. Okay? Or stripping, right? And then he can lock it up here, or he can lock up here, or he can throw here, right? Right? And if he punches, your safety factor is out here. See? That's it. You can even wrap around, snake this arm on. This one, or you can snake this arm here, because once he strips out, see, go like this, see, this will come here. You see where it is? And he puts this in, and this thing is propped over here, see? Right here, or it is propped into the gut here for control. Okay? We were getting too many factors, but the important part here is ejection here. Right? Or if it goes too far, that means if the knife turns more this way, see, you have to roll it, and the ejection is here. See? Out and back here. All right? You got it? Okay, let's try it. I covered all this, and I told you that this portion here had to be done. That's why we do it in flow, so that you can find your disarm. That's one strip here, see? Now the strip would be here, or it could be inserted here, and then strip, see? To go into your lock, right? All right, now we're going to take this, and we can take it singly, because I won't be able to do the flow. Okay, when the knife is here, your hand position is here, because that's pretty safe. But on a double edge, right, there's a chance, right, on a double edged knife, that he might pull out here, see? Right? Then you can be in trouble. If he does that, slap it again, see? Because the hand will be here. Now see, the ejection is thrown like that. All right, now, let me go back again. See, the principle is still the snake. You notice that if you catch the stick here, right, this one either ejects and turns this way. If you did your hand by itself, right? They go 1, 2, 3, ejection here, and ejection over there, right? The stick is reversed. So you have this hand position, you take it out like that, see, and the thing goes like this. See how you just throw it? You sort of circle it like this, okay? If you have a strong enough grip, you are in good position, see, because all you have to do is bring it like this, see? When you hit like that, see, that in itself is a lock, see? That's already here. Okay, but this takes a very good grip, and it must be inserted here, and this will cut. See, so that's why you have to turn the blade this way and go this way. Sometimes you go this way and you'll back off. See, then you strip out, see? And that's what you use if you were to take it. Okay? So the first one I want you to learn is the cover, twist, take the wrist like that, either go forward or strip out like this. Okay, that's the first one. So the insertion is here. Now the other one is just like the hubad. You take it like this and you take it like this, see? And the stick is this way, the knife is this way, so you have to take it and it comes like that. See? Right? Now if you keep it, if you keep the knife, see? So in the hubad, when you go like that, that's why your hand position is this way. Because at any time you go forward, so you take it out. You keep over here, when you take it like this, see? This is stripped. Now, if the knife is like this, see, like Cass, see what Cass is holding it? It makes it more difficult for me to do it. So at this point over here, I just turn and I just push it down like that, see? Because it's pushing it, right? It's the same principle of this lock here, see? Right? So it's just the reverse. You push it down like this. Okay, so we'll just take this portion here, see? You insert it, you twist, hold this hand here, like you see where the thumb is? See? And take out. Okay, that's the other one here with the throw.